The thunderstorm we have long waited for. But what?
Let's hope it makes it.
Let's hope it actually storms.
Temperature.
October 4th.
The clouds darken the sky. It's getting cold.
Now watching Converse is probably still sunny and
It'd be dark everywhere.
Keep the ocean healthy. KeepOceansClean.org. Brought to you by the Keep Oceans Clean Alliance and the activists.
Oh boy, the thunderstorm we have waited for.
well, we're heading away from it. Let's hope it makes it to us. He was fine once the other dogs were gone. He wanted to run around and play, but he just is so
Antisocial.
As you walked around though, he will follow you. He'll stay right underfoot. Look at the wind blowing.
Like that, if he'd feel better if he had a stitch on it. I'll bring his harness, you know. Let's see if that does. No, Super Mario Brothers character. It is. We'll need to prepare for the